Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. When you're ready, type in Samsung Voice Recorder. And install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select Allow and then click on this red button to start your recording. Following that, click on While using the app. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same middle button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one when the recording is unpaused. Then type in wherever you wish to or not at all and choose OK. If you wish to discard it right away, pause it, click on this X on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to end it and save it though, click on the check mark on the right instead. As you can see, my recording is here. In order to save it, click on Save at the top right corner. Now you can play it by clicking on it. If you want to rename it, hold it and click on this icon between pin and the heart, or select those three dots on it, click on Rename section and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. When you finished, hit OK. And to delete your recording, select the same three dots, click on Delete option, or hold it and tap on Bin at the top right corner. Whatever you do, confirm your choice in the pop-up. To create new recording from list of created ones, select this red button at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!